Hi everyone, it's Jennifer with Expressions of Art. And here I have a 3 wood panel that I'm going to do with epoxy resin. And I had already laid down my fire glass, so this is just me mixing up the colors. And now I'm going to pour them. And these are just 3 colors I came up with, something different. And this is just going to be all epoxy resin, no paint on this one, because normally I do use paint. Before I actually do my epoxy resin. And then here you see I have my container. I'm going to mix up some gold. And it's just me doing like some gold dust and adding the liquid to it so it can turn into a paint. And I'm going to actually use this gold paint to go around the edges of the fire glass. And that's what I'm doing here. And of course, I made a mistake right there, trying to clean that up. But I do like to add either gold or silver or bronze, depending on the colors that I choose for the actual panels. It gives it a pop. And this is a really good gold. Um, After you put it down, you can add a little heat to it. It brings the gold up to the front and it just shines so good. Actually got this from another creator. I actually purchased her products, all her powders and glitters. I use her stuff a lot. And it's really, it does turn out really nice. And it go, like I said, it gives it a pop to it. So these wood panels that I do are actually for, I feel like they're for people, homes, offices, that just love some type of pop or shine to add to their decor. So this is just me just adding the gold all the way through. And again, this is 3 panels. So a person can either place it in the order that I have, or they can separate the panels. It's up to them how they would like to place them on their wall. But I just figured I would do a 3 panel one. It's the small panels. They're not really huge. I believe these are 12 by 24 panels. Um, I don't have the specs in front of me, but and then I got 2 panels that's higher than the panel in the middle that's, moved down some. So like I said, you can design it how you want to. Even if you wanted to separate the panels in different rooms, you can do that as well too. Now here I'm just mixing up some glitter. And this is going to be the glitter that I put down, and it's a gold glitter. And just going to kind of outline some of the design from the epoxy resin, just to kind of separate it and to give it some more of that glamour look as well. Because like I said, glitter and gold as an accent color just, makes things to me much better. So of course it's all sped up, just to make the video kind of shorter. I just speed it up. I do like the way this one turned out. At first I was a little worried, like, I don't know about the colors, but I actually like the way this one turned out. This is just me adding some more glitter to it as well. Just giving it some touch-ups in different areas. And then that would be all for this. So I appreciate everyone for watching. You can reach out or send me a message, a comment if you have any questions. Thanks again.